If you're worried that installing memory requires advanced computer skills, we're here to reassure you that no matter how inexperienced you are with computers, you can do it yourself. With just a screwdriver, your owner's manual, and a few minutes of time, you can install memory, no technical skills necessary. Even if you've never seen the inside of a computer before, our step-by-step install guides and videos are designed to walk you through the process and point out everything you need to know. Performing your own upgrade means you can enjoy improved computer performance at a fraction of the cost of a new computer. At Crucial.com, we are here to empower you to do it yourself. If you get confused, our experts are here to help you every step of the way. Trust Crucial.com for expert information on memory and storage.